So this is 627306 going on to 627305. Good luck finding the turn-in for...
We will suss up.
Sure we will. Hopefully the flies disappear.
That would be nice.
Oh, look! No.
Did you not notice that?
No, I didn't.
So unobservant.
Look, I'll leave that there because it's...
Please close the gate.
This dog walker might want to leave at the same time. Two birds, one stone.
That dog is so cute.
Have you seen that sign behind us?
No.
All Arctic drivers strictly no
What?
heads. Stop, turn around now. I'd love to see turn around here if they've come to this part.
That dog was so cute.
That dog was proper cute.
It stopped. The bloke's walking ahead, the dog's like, wait, I'm stopped.
The dog did not want to carry on.
Oh, he's having a little sit down. Look at the mirror. He's just sitting on the...
Aww.
They look like a little skickle.
Wanted to come with us.
That's so cute.
He was a very friendly man.
He was, wasn't he? That windmill's not... Oh, that's probably the same windmill.
Yeah, it's still not windmilling. Maybe we'll give it a blow.
Yeah.
It must work like the seaside
It's not
ones,
working.
right? Literally, you go up to it and blow at it and it starts spinning.
I was doing distance blow.
You are.
You can tell they have sheep in this field.
Why is that?
The fluffers.
The fluffers on the barbed
The
wire.
fluffers on the barbed wire. Where
Maybe that's where they itch.
Yeah, exactly. Well, you see them sometimes, don't you?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow. My phone's decided we're in a totally different place now. Apparently we're almost in West Haddon.
What's wrong with that? Somebody doing something.
Somebody doing something.
Sheep's all in the distance.
Happy for the sheepies. We're definitely not there.
No, we're here.
We're definitely here, not on the
Not that.
A428.
Oh, awkward. Maybe the A428's moved.
Maybe. Maybe this is the new A428. Cars appreciate them.
I suppose that sign was for if Arctic drivers have come out of all these farms.
I'm guessing they come down this way.
Yeah.
I will eventually find out where that turn-in is. It's funny that my
That view.
my phone seems to be struggling with signal out this way. Well, that's just pushed an email through to me, so...
Parking for Polo Pavilion.
Oh, yeah.
Polo Pavilion tea room.
Yeah, straight down here.
Got a problem.
It's going to sit in your road. It's like, oh, sorry. Didn't see you there.
That's a young sheep, isn't it?
It is. Do you want to pet them?
Oh,
Hi, sheeps. Meh.
sorry. Just coming through. I'll be as quick as I can.
Sorry.
Thank you. I appreciate your patience. I like the way it wasn't moving until the point that I wanted to drive in front of it.
Do you know what's really baffling?
What's that?
This is technically a road according to Google. It's like Google Maps still works up until a certain point.
Jesus. tracks.
Yep.
Oh, it's got an itchy head, look.
Oh no, I didn't realise I could itch a head.
Nor did I.
I thought I had to rub it up against something.
Oh, they're so cute.
This is
hey.
nice.
Heyo.
Heyo.
Hi, how are you?
How are you doing, Ben?
No,
Stephen?
Sean.
Sean.
Sean the sheep.
Sean the sheep.
That one's called Sean, that one's called Sean, that one's called Sean, that one's called Sean, that one's called Sean. Oh, take a picture.
Forwards. One to the right track.
Thank you, sheeps.
Goodbye, sheeps. Hello, more sheep.
Oh, look, it's doing a little run.
Ah,
Oh, it stopped.
because it's like late for
Oh,
lunch.
look, that one's laying down. You see it?
Do you think there's a bridge up here to cross the water?
No, you go through the water.
Oh.
Well, there's water that side, and there's road there, so.
Yeah. I'm kind of glad we took the wrong time to start with, because I think that farm would have been really confused as we turned left around him.
Oh, look, there's another one up there running.
Do you want to go for a paddle?
Yeah. Oh, look, that was laying down. Why do they look so cute when they're laying down?
That's not a bad life for sheep, is
Isn't
it? I can think of worse places for sheep
I'm gonna use
to
a
be.
bit of grass. I don't want to disturb that with the sheep on. Sorry.
It's hard all night to do sheep on. What about this one that's eating part of the track?
It's fine.
It's when it rams the car. You startle it. Hi, mate.
Hey.
They're very tame. Hi, mate. Wow. Where does the water go? It goes in there, but that's just a pool.
Just a pool. Do you think the sheep ever go in the water?
Maybe.
Have a little dip. Well, the water in there is running,
Yeah.
so it's got to come from somewhere.
But there's no outlet.
Look at that one, it's like half
Yeah.
up on the bank. Oh, look, black sheep. Or brown sheep.
Bar black sheep. Have you ever?
Not allowed to say that anymore.
Oh no. But it is a black coloured sheep.
Oh, look, the cow's in the next one.
Getting to see all the wildlife.
You ever notice when they walk, they don't really bend their legs?
No. Very stiff-legged. It's racing us. But come on then. Give you a race.
Oh.
I won.
Hello.
I just spoke to my brother about you.
Good afternoon.
You're trespassing.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I wonder if anyone's ever hit a sheep by mistake because it's just run out in front of them.
That'd be quite some going.
Would you have to scoop it up into your car and go and find the farmer?
Yeah. I like the way these little pools are in different height. I'm guessing they're like overflows. Is that a sheep up on the mound?
Yeah, there's a couple of sheeps.
Nice. Oh no, now you got an issue.
I went this way to try and avoid them.
Now they're going to reverse back. That bit of grass is really good.
Excuse me, thank you. Thank you guys.
Thank you. Sorry.
Have a good afternoon.
Enjoy.
I think there might be sheep literally on this gate.
Oh no, that could be awkward. They might be blocking us, being like, nope, not coming through. Oh, they're all under the tree.
No. Shady.
Do you think they're having a meeting?
Yeah. Business meeting. Oh look, they're cows.
Or are they cows or bulls?
I don't know.
Oh, nervy times. Some of these trees have seen better days. It almost looks like it's been struck by lightning at some
It
point.
does a little bit, doesn't it?
By the way, like it's been shredded. Could you imagine if we can't get through because animals?
Are these different flocks of sheep? It's like, do they belong
Maybe.
to different families?
Maybe.
So it's like they
or
mixed.
different brands.
It's the different.
It's like that. Some of them could be Tesco value,
But it's like if these
Tesco
sheep
farm
got into these
finest.
sheep, would they fight?
or there might be males and females.
Isn't a male sheep a ram?
I don't know.
I think we could have a problem.
No problem.
Look, these ones look kind of comfy. I don't know if I want to drive through these actually, because look how content they look.
They look very content, but that leaves you with a dilemma.
They look very content though, don't they? So what, you're going to turn around because content sheep? Kind of.
Okay, goodbye.
Well, how are we going to move them?
Well, they'll move when I approach the gate.
Do you think?
Maybe.
Give it a go if you want. But they look very happy. I needed the GoPro runner just in case. I'm trying to open the gate and sheep's like, okay.
Good morning.
And I was like, bloody hell.
Morning, sheep.
Say good morning to the sheep. Oh, that one's having a poo. Oh, it's having a stretch. Oh, I know. That's cute. Oh, they were much more obedient than I thought they'd be. They're more obedient than like the dogs. Hello. Oh, there's a ram there. Oh, and that one's pooing.
Sorry.
Sorry.
One of them's a ram, and one of them over here was having a poo.
That one's
I
desperado.
know. And that stretch was so cute.
I've shut the gate. I can confirm the gate is shut. It's like, come in, minute.
Oh, he's pooing as well.
Not finished. I think I'm finished now.
It's still going. It's like walking and pooing.
I think I might have dirt on my shoes.
Probably poo.
It's alright, I'm treading it all over your handbag.
Excuse me.
They poo in your bumper. Look, that one stretches its legs now.
Yeah.
I think they've been laying down for a while.
Looks like that. Thank you, guys.
Cheers, guys.
Guys and girls, thank you. Much appreciated. Have a good day. Thank you.
We could do sheep herding. What about these ones? Are these content? Cool. Do you have to turn around now?
Yeah.
Oh, there's a cow in the water.
Oh, awkward. There's cows up there as well, though.
Sheeps and cows. Does that mean it's lamb tasting of beef? And beef tasting of lamb?
This used to be a road vlog.
Fluffy clouds.
Good morning. Good morning. Can I come through? Are you herding them or do you want me to herd them? How do you herd them? Why, you get out? I was just going to say, I might run to a cow. I was going to say. Oh, what are you doing? Like, how do you herd a sheep? Do you want to approach them? What are you going to do? You're just going to This is going to be your job soon. I'll just let you walk up to them. Yeah, all you can do is just walk up to them and hope they just walk off. Well, yeah, I'm that one going to get hurt. I hope not.
Fans on.
I see. Bye. Bye.
Got the sheeps out the way for you. There you go.
Why is it they stand up and they straight away start pooing?
I scared the living poo out of them.
I think you did.
Oh,
Am I okay to come through?
is it our turn now?
Thank you.
I'm waiting for one to die in front of you.
That one nearly did.
It thought about it.
They're a bit unpredictable, aren't they?
Oh, so I look forward to you doing all of this.
Hello. Hiya. How are you?
I might cross.
you
No,
okay?
I decided against it.
Thank you.
Gonna butt your car though. What a random day.
Isn't it? Don't know what that is, so I'm going to go round it.
Looks like a bit of tree.
It does, doesn't it? Oh, look, cyclist.
Oh, hi. But they're having no issues with sheeps.
I'll get out of your way as well. I'm just getting around this stick.
Hi, sheeps. Oh, that one's on the move. Wow, look at it go.
They can be quite fast, can't
Wish I could run that fast.
they? Me too.
There's that windmill that's not windmill. Maybe we'll blow it.
Maybe. Am I going straight?
I think so.
Oh, look, walkers.
Oh, this looks hopeful. If you see people coming towards you, go away, fly.
Just kind of slow around. Boss. Being very sensible and noble. Got to lift up the hill. Yeah. Can we help you? Maybe they're going to the tea rooms. They've just parked at the wrong end. Oh. Take it. Just keep rolling. I think so. Could be here for some time otherwise.
A little
You did.
hand up.
I like the way the clutch is dipped and everything to be as quiet as possible.
Exactly.
You almost need a hybrid.
I didn't want to disturb them.
Mhm.
I don't think I'd want to walk up that hill. That looks like quite a big hill to walk up
Nice walk though. As long as you don't twist your ankle.
and get like hit by a sheep.
Mm.
Look what's coming up.
Oh yay, but I feel like I deserve it because we haven't had a gate for a while.
Not since the sheep gate.
Exactly, sheep gate.
Literal sheep gate. Looks like there's a sign on this one.
I'm making sure to read all signs, just in case there is one that says private land or something. It's like, oh, we're taking
Oh,
a right
please
turn.
close the gates.
Yeah, I was going to say, when they say that, you normally know you're on the right sort of track.
Yeah. Oh, that one's locked.
Oh no, or is it just a chain around?
Oh, it might be.
I'll find out for you. Are you sure it said please close the gate? not please chain the gate.
Or maybe, I don't know, I just presumed it said closed.
I get the impression that
Could go either
that
way.
latch doesn't work too
Oh,
well.
bugger.
So they've got an additional chain round it that's just hooked to a nail.
I see.
Click clunk every time.
Anything to keep the sheeps in.
Exactly.
Or out, whichever way you're looking at.
To keep people
I
like
think there's
you.
sheeps in there too.
Maybe.
Because there's fluffers.
All the fluffers. You can make a rug out of that.
You could. Or a cosy blankie.
Oh, this is a nice field. Nothing in it.
It's quite cool that you can just drive around this.
I know. I do wonder how would it be in the wet.
Yeah. You can understand why there's restrictions, can't you?
It's like, can you imagine if like loads of 4x4s come through here during
Well, it's just like
winter?
when you think it's like how not rutted this is
Yeah.
for the most part.
This isn't exciting enough for the hardcore
No.
4x4s.
Well, it's scenic, isn't it, rather than anything.
Challenging. Just passing through. How hot do you think the engine gets when it's just
Battery?
sat running in first?
Smells warm.
Yeah, I was going to say, every time we stop, you can smell almost smell the heat. It's like the exhaust and that.
I feel like it'll appreciate when we're onto an actual road.
Oh look, not a gate.
Looks like there should be, doesn't it? Oh, I think there was once upon a time.
Oh yeah,
Gate down.
it was gated. Now not so gated.
I bet that gave someone a turn when that fell off.
Yeah.
I can't imagine them being the lightest of things.
Wow, that'd be a hill.
Wouldn't it?
For a farmer or any sort of vehicle.
Ah. Do you know what I haven't seen for a while?
What's that?
A bit like when we were around Swindon and that. Any trees?
Yeah, no trees.
No trees.
What I'd give for a tree.
Oh wow, it almost looks like steps the way the banks are sort of
Yeah.
gone away.
I just like the way you can see all the things, roots, all
I
the bushes,
know.
roots and
How do they
everything.
not like fall?
Well, I can imagine they were fine until they've been dredged out. Either that or the lands just give way
It's
a
like
bit.
the inland version of coastal erosion, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, the rain comes tumbling down. Highway sign.
Is this the end of the byway, do you think?
I'd say we shouldn't be too far off. It's been quite a lengthy one.
That was a good one, actually.
Yeah, I like that, especially when we found it.
I just like the sheeps.
Do that again.
Oh no, I'm not sure. We might still be got something. Not sure. Hard to tell.
Another gate though.
Looks like there's a gate. Oh
Guess
wow,
what, Ma?
imagine living there.
That'd
That's
be
beautiful.
Whoa, Joe.
The phone signal could be a problem.
Yeah, with you.
And I don't think you'd get fibre.
With one of your world's best network.
Yeah.